Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host. And guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy house and lot here in Novaliches, Quezon City, please continue to watch this video. And behind me, guys, is our actual turnover units with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. So let's check our actual turnover unit. Let's go. So this is your parking area, so as you can see. And upon entering your unit, you will be welcomed by your living area. And you have here your may extra storage ka dito na side. So it's up to you and how are you going to maximize it. And we have here your dining area and your kitchen. And we have a common toilet and bath at this side. Right? And we have here your service area or extra space. So if ever you are planning to make an extension or additional room, pwede mong gamitin tong space na to. Or extra space, no? Or pocket garden, it's up to you. Alright? Okay, so let's go up. So second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So this is near SNR and also malapit lang din naman sa SM Fairview. Okay, so at the side, we have our bedroom 1. So medyo maliit lang, no? For starting family, mga bata, okay na yung ganitong size na room. And also, we have your bedroom 2. And hindi mo na kailangan bumaba because we have a common toilet and bath sa my second floor. And of course, we have this is our master's bedroom. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So total of 3 toilet and bath for this unit. And you have a small balcony sa side na to. Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications or you wanted to book a tripping kasi limited lang yung RFO units natin for this project, And then, so comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. So once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home.